5 seconds. Start. Today, over 1 lakh youngsters have been awarded job offers in the government sector. Your dedication and hard work have led to this achievement. I extend my heartfelt congratulations to all of you and your families. The initiative to provide employment to the youth in the Government of India is progressing rapidly. Previously, the process from job advertisement to issuing appointment letters took an extensive amount of time during the regimes of past governments, fostering a culture of bribery. We have now prioritized transparency in the recruitment process, ensuring efficiency and fairness. The government is steadfast in ensuring that the recruitment process adhere to set timelines, granting every youth an equal opportunity to showcase their abilities. Now, the youngster believes that they can carve a niche for themselves with their hard work and talent. Since 2014, our aim has to be engaged the youth with the Government of India and involve them in nation building efforts. The BJP government has provided nearly 1.5 times more government jobs in its 10 years compared to the previous government's last decade. Today, we have also laid the foundation stone for an integrated training complex in Delhi, which I am confident will bolster our capacity building endeavors. Thanks to the government efforts, new avenues are opening up for youth in the country. Various campaigns launched by the government in these sectors are creating numerous new opportunities for employment and self-employment. As seen in the recent budget, a rooftop solar power scheme has been introduced for 1 crore families. Those who install solar panels on their rooftops will reap dual benefit: zero electricity bill and additional income from surplus electricity generation. This massive rooftop solar scheme will also generate lakhs of employment opportunities across various sectors. From solar panel installation to battery related businesses and wiring work, this scheme will create jobs at multiple levels. Today, Bharat boasts the third largest startup ecosystem globally, with the number of startups in the country reaching around 1.25 lakh. It's heartening to note that a significant portion of these startups is emerging in small tier 2 and tier 3 cities, which are not even district centered. These startups are generating employment opportunities for lakhs of young people. Moreover, the recent budget announcement to extend tax exemptions for startups will greatly benefit our youth. Additionally, the budget includes plans to establish a new research and innovation fund worth rupees 1 lakh crore. Even Indian Railways is participating in this Rozgar Mela for recruitment. Despite the availability of various travel options, Indian Railway remain the preferred choice for many families undertaking long journeys. Indian Railways is currently undergoing a massive transformation and is said to be completely revamped by the end of this decade. Reflecting on the state of railways before 2014, it is evident that the previous governments neglected critical aspects such as electrification, doubling the railway lines, operational efficiency, and passenger amenities. The earlier governments were indifferent towards the problem of the common Indian. However, since 2014, we have embarked on a comprehensive mission to reinvent the entire train travel experience by modernizing and upgrading our railway infrastructure. The recent budget announced also include plans to introduce 40,000 modern bogies akin to the Vande Bharat Express into normal trains, enhancing passenger comfort and convenience. Improved connectivity not only facilitates travel but also catalyzes economic growth by creating new markets, boosting tourism, and fostering the emergence of new businesses, thus generating lakhs of job opportunities. That means good connectivity has a direct impact on the development of the country. Investment in infrastructure is being increased to accelerate the pace of development. The recent budget outlined a target investment of rupees 11 lakh crore for infrastructure development, which will accelerate projects across roads, railways, airport, metro stations, and electricity, consequently creating new avenues for employment. Today, a significant number of the youth who have received appointment letters are set to join the parliamentary force, fulfilling a major aspiration among them. Over the past few years, reforms have been introduced in the recruitment process for the parliamentary force. One significant change implemented since January of this year is the decision to conduct written examination in 13 languages besides Hindi and English, providing equal opportunities for participants to showcase their abilities. Additional, the quota for districts situated on the border and those affected by militancy has been increased. Every government employee plays a pivotal role in the journey towards the developed Bharat. The over 1 lakh employees joining us today will inject new vigor and momentum into this journey. Regardless of the department you are assigned to, remember that every day should be dedicated to nation building. For the capacity building of the government employees, the Government of India has launched the Karmayogi Bharat portal, offering over 800 courses on various subjects. With more than 30 lakh users already enrolled, I encourage all of you to make full use of this portal to expand your skills. Full stop.